Let's talk about a few useful tools to have while you're ironing. Here's a clapper. Have you ever seen one before? It's used while ironing. You can press it on there and get your seams really flat. Anything that you're ironing, you can press it down. It works great for binding, especially when using cottons and you have the iron really hot so that you're not burning your hands. Here I'm pressing a seam toward the pocket and see how it stands straight up. I iron it over, grab the clapper and put it on and just leave it there. And the weight from the clapper is going to help that seam lay down really nicely. This is a tailor's ham. It's great for going over curves, anywhere where a seam curves around the hips, bust, and especially at the arm side. This next tool is called a sleeve roll. As its name suggests, you can put it into a sleeve, or in my case, a pair of pants, and get anything inside ironed really well so that it lays flat and looks nice. Great for kid patterns too. Pressing your handmade garments well is really the key to making your clothes look good in the end.